Welcome back everyone. In today's video, I'm going to teach you English using comprehensible input. I will give you a house tour, and also I need to do some chores around the house and show you my daily life, what I normally do. But before we get started, we need to make a checklist of what we need to accomplish today. Got my checklist here, let's give it to Leon.
Checklist. All right, let's get it.
Ladies first.
This door hasn't been open in a long time.
Okay. Oh, there's a little bit of food.
Should I feed him this lemon? Oh, there's the goose. You didn't grab the brown stuff?
So right now, I'm feeding the ducks corn. I have corn in my hand.
What other birds do we have here?
We have a goose somewhere over there. Oh, there's another duck there. This right here, this is a pond. This is a pond. And there's water inside of the pond. And here we have a hose with water that's coming out to fill up the pond. Yeah, so after this, after we pack this container away, I think I'm gonna go do my laundry. What about you?
It's a good idea, but I gotta take my laundry out first.
You have your laundry in there right now?
Washing, yeah.
Okay. How long is left, do you know? Or when did you put it in?
Should be done by now.
Should be done?
Yep.
And then you're gonna go hang it up on the roof?
That's right.
Or dry it in the dryer?
I'm gonna go hang it out outside. It's sunny enough that it'll dry quickly outside.
Yeah, the sky is so blue today. Honestly, it's such a nice day. It was raining a lot and it was super windy too. Like, that was not too nice.
Yeah, the wind's the worst. I'm gonna water the trees over there.
What are you dragging?
This is a water hose.
A water hose or a garden hose. What are you doing right now?
Just tightening the hose onto the faucet.
Okay, turn the water on now.
Okay, now it's on. Okay, here I'm going to water these plants. These are newly planted. There's a row here, and then there's a row down there. So it's summer now. It doesn't rain a lot, so it gets pretty dry out.
So there's a row of plants right here. This hose has a leak in it, and you could see the water spraying out. So we're losing water here. And we could try to block it, and that will stop the water from coming out. You block the hole. Now you guys, I'm gonna go do my laundry. Let's go. Oh man, Leon, your stuff's still in the laundry, buddy. Come take it out. So this is my sock, and you could see it's inside out. So now I'm gonna turn it back to normal. This is where you put your laundry detergent. I put 2 spoons because I have a lot of laundry in there. Now I'm pressing the start button. Now this is the dial that allows you to change your setting. I'm just gonna go for the normal cotton wash. Now the cycle has started. I think I'm gonna make some hash browns. Do we have we have eggs, but we have like sausage or something?
There's that ground beef that was a little funky.
Oh, it has to be like...
Well, cut up some of that
sausage.
Sausage. Oh, we don't have sausage. Cut up some of that schnitzel and do like a tonkatsu on the top.
Yo, did you want some hash browns?
Nah, actually, yeah. Make me a little bit.
Okay. I just finished washing these. I just diced these potatoes and I have 2 left to dice. Do you have the ketchup over there?
You mean the tomato sauce? Yeah, I got it here.
Pass. Thanks. Fire. Okay, this is the first room, the first tower room.
Wow. It's a circular room.
Yeah, you can see it's a half circle. It goes around there. But this wall is super nice. Where did these rocks come from?
I have no idea.
These are, I think, river rocks because they're nice and smooth. They're from the river.
And is this the first floor or the second floor?
This, what we're on, is the second floor.
So you can see that's the entrance down there. The garage is back there.
And here you can see it's like this because it's a bunk bed. So this bed actually goes on top of here, right here. And that's what you call a bunk bed. But right now it's not.
This looks handmade, is it?
I think so. I'm not exactly sure, but I think it's handmade, yeah.
Wow.
But now let's go to another room. Okay, and this part of the house, this is
interesting.
The
What is this area?
This is the terrace, and it's.
What's up there?
Well, we could go up there right now if you want. Lead the way.
Let's check it out.
So up these stairs is the roof of the house, but you could stand on it. So you could call it the rooftop.
So this is more like, it's kind of like a third floor, right?
It's kind of like a 4th floor. And it has such a nice view, honestly. It's so beautiful.
Wow.
Like, you have mountains all around you from up here.
Is that where you put your laundry?
Yeah, this is where I hang my laundry over here. After I wash it, I put it here to dry because the wind always blows here, so it could dry my laundry very quickly. Yeah, so this is the last tower room. The roof on this one is very low, like.
Oh, yeah.
I'm almost touching the roof on this place. But yeah, this is the last tower room.
Wow.
Yeah, we're definitely a little bit higher up now. There we got some rubber boots. Here we have a saddle that you put on a horse. Yeah, I don't know how stable this is, but this is a saddle. Oh, shit.
What else are you going to show me?
Well, we have a couple more rooms to see, so let's go.
All right, let's go. Which way? What's in there? The glass is different. I can't really see in there.
Inside here, yeah, you can see the glass is not normal. You could not see through this glass. Let's go inside there now. So now we're inside. So this is the washroom, as you can see. Here you have a view of the outside, and this is a jacuzzi. This is a jacuzzi. What do you think of it?
It's a nice bathroom.
It's pretty nice, yeah. Here you have a lot of different toiletry stuff. And here is a big mirror, and you can see our reflection in the mirror. My mom is calling me, so I'm gonna pick it up. Hello? Hello?
Where are you?
I'm on the hammock right now. Good. You can see we're recording a video right there.
Hi, how are you doing?
Okay, bye.
Bye, lovey.
Bye-bye.
Take care.
Bye. So this is one of my favorite places to be in the house. It's a hammock. So you just sit back, relax in the hammock. It's super nice. Right beside the hammock here is the living room. So we got the living room, blankets, some sofas, and a nice view. And I really like this ceiling here. It has like these wood beams going across. It's super nice.
What's that hanging from the ceiling?
This?
Yeah.
This is a fly catcher. So there's a lot of flies in the summer and stuff. So the flies fly into this and they stick onto it and they can't go. A fly catcher. It is very useful. But now let's go to the next room and show you some more. Okay, now let's do a little bit of cleaning. Take this broom and take the dustpan as well. I'll also grab a broom. I don't think we'll mop today, but we'll just sweep, do a little bit of sweeping. My broom is super short compared to yours. It's short.
Yeah, you are shorter.
And I'm just sweeping the floor. What about you? What are you doing?
I'm sweeping the floor too.
You're also sweeping?
Getting all the corners.
Okay, hold the dustpan. Hold the dustpan for me. Let's pack the brooms away in the storage room.
All right, here you go.
Pass. Help. And now I'm gonna wipe the counters because the counters are dirty. So let me just wipe them. Another item off the checklist. Holy man, that is so beautiful. So we're out here in nature now. We went for a little walk and we're still on our walk, but I wanted to just say one of my favorite idioms for nature, something I use all the time is go with the flow. It just means to relax, not be too stressed and just go with the flow, like just be relaxed. If something happens, it's okay. That's the way it is. That's the way it's gonna be. Just go with it. Don't argue, don't fight. Just go with the flow. Let things play out naturally without trying to control everything. Go with the flow. What's one of your favorite idioms kind of related to nature?
If I had to think of one related to nature, probably out of the woods. So out of the woods, that means you're out of danger, out of trouble. So say, for example, you just finished your final exams in class. You could say, I'm out of the woods now. Like I'm done with my classes, done with my exams. I'm home free.
Because you were in danger of failing them.
Or could have been in trouble.
But a lot of times you'll hear in movies and stuff, someone say, oh, they're not out of the woods yet. So say someone got hurt or someone was injured and they're talking in a conversation and they say, oh, she just had her surgery, but she's not out of the woods yet. So she's not fully safe yet. She's not fully out of danger.
Not fully recovered.
Not fully recovered, so. Now we're done hanging our laundry. Let's go back inside. So what are we eating for dinner today?
We're gonna make some chicken schnitzels.
Chicken schnitzels. We have our ingredients here. The recipe is on his phone. We have 2 pots and 1 pan on the stove top. This right here is called a range hood. A range hood. So what are you putting inside that pot now?
Now putting in some vinegar, apple cider vinegar.
And what are you making?
Sweet and sour sauce to put on top of the meat.
Nice. So you just scooped up some brown sugar.
Yeah, half a cup of brown sugar as well.
Is anyone here from Germany? Leave it in the comments. And do you eat this type of food, schnitzel, in Germany? Let me know. Why is there a trampoline there? Since when? What is it?
Cheese. Fresh cheese.
I know, that looks good. And yeah, we're just cooking dinner.
What are you cooking?
Schnitzel with sweet and sour sauce and rice.
Oh, yummy. It sounds really good.
Spend about $62 per month on subscription.
And right now, I am folding laundry. I am folding laundry. These are my t-shirts here. So we got the last item on the checklist and we have to tick it off now. Watch the sunset. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Before we get into the word summary, as always, this was my favorite comment from last video. And this is where you guys were from last video. Let me know in the comments again. Also guys, if you want to join a free online English community to practice your speaking, or if you want more exclusive videos like this with my channel memberships, check in the description. Now here's the word summary. Got my checklist here, let's give it to Leon. Ladies first. I'm feeding the ducks. This is a pond.
Here I'm gonna water these plants. These are newly planted.
This hose has a leak in it. So this is my sock and you could see it's inside out. This is where you put your laundry detergent. Now this is the dial. I just diced these potatoes and I have 2 left to dice. Pass. Actually goes on top of here. You could call it the rooftop.
So this is more like...
Yeah, I don't know how stable this is, but is a jacuzzi. And here is a big mirror. It's a hammock. Right beside the hammock here is the living room. And I really like this ceiling here. This is a fly catcher. My broom is super short compared to yours. And now I'm gonna go with the flow.
Out of the woods.
This right here is called a range hood. Folding laundry.